So I just took out my faux locks and untwisted my hair. So this is what my hair looks like right now. And we're just gonna wash it and put it in a bun. Bear with me, these are gonna be some weird angles. First off, I like to start off with rinsing my hair first and then using this. It is a giving Jerry curl for real. Absolutely love this tool here. Now I'm gonna go in with the Mio Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. I've never tried this, so fingers crossed. That smells amazing. Ooh, it's kind of water-based. The last week before I did my hair into the faux locks, I did go ahead and trim all the bad ends and dead ends and heat damage, which is weird because I have not straightened my hair in a while. I don't even know how long my hair really is because I haven't seen it straighten in a long time. So what we're gonna do right now, just for extra protection, I'm going to deep condition. I don't deep condition all the time just because I don't have time to, but if I did have time to, I definitely recommend deep conditioning once a week. It smells amazing though. Just want to drown my hair in it. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner and we're gonna get into straightening our hair, but that deep conditioner really felt good. I do like the way it made my hair feel. We're gonna pull one part out first, and then I like to go section by section. That's what I'm gonna put in my hair for a leave-in conditioner. Y'all, first of all, I just chopped my hair super freaking short, like what, last year around this time? This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. And I've been cutting my hair myself, so very interesting. I'm gonna do the other half off camera. I know, it's grown so much. The crazy part is it's taking me 3 days to do this video. I blow dried my hair, I straightened it, and I have trimmed my hair. So just so you can see, I'm sure you can tell by my ends, like it's been trimmed a little bit, but also I haven't straightened my hair in a long time. So something that I realized, instead of just putting, you know, heat protectant in my hair, I needed much more than just heat protectant. I use the thermal protectant cream. This is from Design and Essentials, and I use the Design and Essentials Moroccan oil. These are both heat protectants. But my hair felt really dry before I put them in my hair, so I redid my whole blow dry routine. So I applied all of that and then blow dried my hair out, and now it feels so soft. But let's get into it. We're gonna do a bun. I'm trying new products, so bear with me. I haven't really used Shine and Jam. I know me, a black woman, never used Shine and Jam. I've used one before, but as far as slicking my edges down, it really didn't do that. So let's see. I've used this before, not myself, but I know hairstylists have put this in my hair before when I was little, because I just got like flashbacks of this feeling. That's a shocker. That feels lovely on my hair. I want to go over, I'm gonna put some mousse in it. This is the Argan Oil Style and Shine mousse. I don't want my hair to be stiff, and I'm not using gels anymore in my hair. I really want to get away from doing stuff like that because I know my hair gets dry from doing that. So I'm trying to do everything I can to protect my hair, guys. Like, facts, big facts. It feels so secure. I know I have to wrap it and shit, but goddamn. I got this edge booster at my local beauty supply. It was on sale, and usually I use that, but the Ebon is what I had went back to, but it flakes so much. So I got lucky with this being on sale. Oh my god. And I'm gonna put some, even though I can't see it, I'm gonna put some edge booster on the back of my head. No wonder people use this stuff. I'm saying this Shine and Jam stuff because my hair feels so soft, and it's not gonna dry my hair out from wearing this. My hair up in a bun like this, so I don't have to worry about that. We are winning. Okay, just put a little more Shine and Jam. Put it right in here. I might retie my ponytail, just make it a little bit tighter. just slide the other one off. Okay. Oh my, y'all can't tell me shit because this bun is about to be on point. I got the wrong head wrap at the store. So let me see how I'm gonna fix this up. I probably can just roll this back like this. Tight. Dang. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, so I just cut it and then I wrapped it around my head. Only thing is not covering the back. Okay, now I'm gonna take my excess hair and wrap it around. I don't like doing, there's no like proper way to do this though. I am using Organique Shake and Go Tangle Free Master Mix. It's the Bohemian Curl 3-piece 14, 16, 18 in the color 2. I just prefer to use tracks for my bun because I feel like if I do it a different way, it's gonna cause some problems. I feel like if I actually purchased a bun and put it in and you know it has the combs that cover your bun, I feel like it's just gonna fall off. I feel like it's gonna fall off. So this is the hair. She is soft. I think I'm gonna brush some of it out. So when I do put it in my hair, it's a little bit bigger. You know, just fluff it out just a little bit. I don't want it too much. I don't want it too small and I don't want it too big. Okay, so now when I unroll it, unroll the track. Okay, so when I unroll it, you want your track to look like this. It's four in a row, if that makes sense. You see the different rows. That way you don't put too many bobby pins to the point where, you know after a while you having a bun, your stuff gonna hurt. I like to start with the end that has just the loop, and that's this part, because, it's not the end of the track. So I got the end of the hair. I put the bobby pin through the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in the front or the back, whichever you prefer. We're gonna start wrapping the girl around. Pin it from back to front. You want to crisscross everything. I'm gonna loop it a couple times, maybe once or twice. Make sure there's no tangles. This may be very confusing at the beginning, but it is super easy. Just wrap it around. And make sure you're not about to, mess up your scalp. Because if it's too hard, remove it and re-put it in, because you're gonna be wanting to pull this out. Okay, and we're coming up on the last one. There's nothing special that I do with the last one. If there's a hoop, it should be a hoop right here. I try to go through that. There it is. So put it through that like that. Go down and just stick it on in there, just like the other ones. Stick it on there. If you feel any tracks lifted where it may not be secure, just put a bobby pin there. Do not go for your scalp. Try to put it through where the rest of the bun is, because your head is gonna hurt. So now that we got it to this point, I'm gonna put all the hair up. See how that's a track right there? We don't want that. It gotta be pinned down. This is how you're gonna make your bun be damn near perfect. You're gonna put this on here and go around one time, because it doesn't have to be tight. And you just wanna make sure you're covering up your real hair, because when you go to put everything down, you don't wanna see a trace of your real hair. And that's why I also got curly, so you're not gonna see it. Okay, now you gotta take your other band, go on the top of it, put it down, push it up. There we go. You got you a cute little bun. Now, I like my stuff more clean. What I'm gonna do, I wanna make sure it's big and cute. You're gonna have some loose pieces, that's okay. Fix them at the end with a bobby pin. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap this around to the back. We're gonna bobby pin it. That's all you gotta do. You just bobby pin everything. Bobby pin everything, poo. Any issues you got, bobby pin it. And crisscrossing them is gonna secure it even more. And if you feel like it's not poofy enough in the back, play with the bun until it's the way you want it to be. Shape it up. And I'm gonna just go ahead and take my scarf off for reference so you can see what I did here. Ooh. Girl, who are they talking about? Number one, my hair smells so good. But I absolutely love this. I did not realize Shine and Jam did their thing like this. All you gotta do is wrap it. I am not with gel anymore. I am with Shine and Jam. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna rewrap my hair for the back portion of it to make it cleaner in the back. If you dolls enjoyed this tutorial and you want more, please like and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.